How to lock or unlock your Scotiabank card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to lock or unlock your Scotiabank card for some reason, here is how you can do it. Firstly, launch the application and get logged in. Once that is done, from the section, select the card that you want to lock. The list of cards are displayed on the My Account section on homepage. Now that you have selected it, click on the gear icon to open the Manage or Settings icon. This way, you will get to another page from where you will see different details of the card. Inside the Settings option, you will see Lock or Unlock card as a new feature. Tap on it, and once that is done, select on the option Is your card stolen? If it is, and if you think the card is permanently lost, you can directly call on the number given and report to get a new card. However, for temporary cases, you can close this option and get back to click on your card and then toggle on the option to lock it. Now, once you unlock it or would like to unlock, you will be required to give the 6-digit verification code to get confirmed and authenticated. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.